Can you stall at all?
No.
Okay.
I'm working on it.
Yeah.
But I started out doing this like derby.
Oh, right. Yeah, it's real different. I am now. Now that we have a feel for the layout of Bay Creek Skate Park, let's see what sort of fun skaters are having out there. Maybe you're just getting back into the feel of things and are working on finding your balance by focusing on going up and down ramps. Maybe even spicing things up a bit with 180 turns. There's always someone dropping in, and maybe you'll even see a quad skater working on her quarter pipe skills, and showing off some toe stop footwork. The low ledges are great for learning basic stalls. Now we're getting more snazzy and advanced with combo tricks. Check out this ollie on front side 180. Remember to keep an eye out, the parks welcome all skaters of all ages. Practice makes perfect, and sometimes it's the fourth time that's a charm for this vert trick. Grinds are always fun to try. And if you're lucky, you'll see a soon-to-be pro working on the hard tricks. Thanks for watching, and let's head back to the library and skate through some resources from the catalog.